Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove continue watching on Disney Plus. But first, check out our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to remove those continue watching series or your movies that you don't want to watch anymore from your Disney Plus account, what you need to do is you want to go and just basically access that specific option. So typically, you want to go and just go to disneyplus.com if you're in your PC, and you want to go and scroll down a bit here until you see the continue watching section. So in this case, you want to just click on the X button that you see at the top right of that specific series or movie, and once you've done that, that should be removed. Now, that's how you do it on your PC. Now, by the way, if you don't see the continue watching section here, you can go and just click on the My Space section. And again, you should be able to see the continue watching section here. And again, click on the X at the top right here. Now, for some reason, if the X does not appear for you, what you need to do is you want to go open up the series and basically open up the movie or episode that you don't want to watch anymore, and you want to go and just skip to the very end here, and that should basically allow you to remove that from your continue watching. Now, what if you are in your phone? How do you do it? Now, in your mobile device, what you need to do is you want to go open up the Disney Plus app here and just log in into your account, and you want to go and scroll down a bit here until you see the continue watching section. Now, from here, go and click on the three dotted option that you see at the bottom right of that specific series, or let's just say movie. And once you do press or click on it, you should see the option here that says remove from continue watching. Now, if you don't see the continue watching section here, what you need to do is you want to go and just click on My Space at the bottom right here. Again, you should be able to see the continue watching for section, and just click on the three dotted option that you see at the bottom right of your screen and click on remove from continue watching. Now, by the way, if you go to back to your home page here, if you don't see the series, you can go and just swipe to the right here, and you should be able to see or search for the series that you want to remove. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.